This video will show you the menu and configuration features for the METRO T.R.I.P app. The menu icon is located at the top left-hand corner of the app, represented by 3 parallel lines. The first menu item is Nearby Arrivals. Clicking this line reveals the routes and arrivals in your immediate vicinity. Arrivals are labeled as real-time predictions in green or scheduled arrival time in blue. The route direction, and stop location are also displayed. You can scroll up and down to locate the arrival you're looking for. Clicking on one of the arrows on the right side of the app takes you to that specific stop's arrivals page. Next is Recent Stops. The METRO T.R.I.P app remembers recent stops you've searched for and next arrival information. Tapping on the schedule line brings up an electronic version of all Metro PDF bus schedules. All Metro bus routes are listed in numerical order. Picking a route brings up a pop-up that asks for the direction of travel for the route you wish to choose. Once the direction is chosen, the app displays the schedule for that route. Atop the app are the route, direction, and cross streets of the stop. Different arrival times and stops for that route are able to be chosen by scrolling left or right and up or down. Clicking on the Settings line accesses user configurable settings. The first is Trip Planner Optimization. There are 3 ways to set your METRO T.R.I.P app: minimizing transfers, travel time, or walking on a trip. Activating pulse vibrations allows you to track a planned itinerary. When activated, the phone will vibrate, increasing in intensity as you approach a bus stop where the itinerary starts, a transfer point, or the final stop. Enabling background vibrations will send a notification to your phone even when your screen is off.